गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम टेट आर्ट्स 2019 दो सेक्शन हमने ऑलरेडी पार्ट 1 में कर लिए हैं। आज हम सेक्शन 3 और सेक्शन 4 सोशल स्टडी और जीके पोर्शन कवर करेंगे। थर्ड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत वॉज फॉट इन बी 1761। विच डायनेस्टी पावरफुल रूलर कनिष्का वॉज बिलोंग टू? बी कुषाण. Which summit of non-aligned countries organized at New Delhi? C. 7th. When Indian military started Operation Blue Star? D. 1984. McMahon Line is the boundary line in which two countries? C. Indochina. How many members President nominate in Rajya Sabha? D. 12. Narmada River has its source at C. Amarkantak. In summer season, the wind blowing in the northern plains in India known as C. Lu. The Battle of Plassey was fought in B. 1757 AD. Malik Kafur was well-known military commander of A. Alauddin Khilji. In which state Wular Lake situated? C. Jammu Kashmir. Who wrote Tughlaq Nama? C. Amir Khusro. In which state famous religious place Pragraj is situated? B. Uttar Pradesh. Shimla Agreement was signed in year C. 1972. Total number of members in Security Council are D. 15. Which one amongst the following river flow through a rift valley? D. Tapi. Which ruler declared Devgiri his capital at the place of Delhi? B. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Sericulture means D. Commercial rearing of silkworms. Silicon Valley is located in C. California. Which river's bank Kolkata is situated? B. Hooghly. First World War was started in C. 1914 AD. Practice of sati banned in year C. 1829 AD. Which movement was called off by Gandhi ji after the incident of Chori Chora? D. Non-cooperation movement. Planning Commission of India was established in B. 1950. Which field was focused in second 5-year plan? A. Heavy industry. When was Indus Water Treaty signed? C. 1960. When was United Nations Organization? C. 1945. When Mahatma Gandhi arrived India from South Africa? A. 1915 AD. Out of following, which agriculture is also known as pisciculture? C. Fishery farming in ponds. Which one of the following is known as Manchester of Japan? A. Osaka. Which one of the following known as Sunehra Resha? B. Jute. Yangtze River is related with dash country? D. China. Which one of the following known as black gold? B. Petroleum. Which mountain range separates Europe from Asia? B. Ural. The highest waterfall of the world is B. Angel. Which one of the following ranges forms the water divide between Narmada and Tapti rivers? A. Satpura. The highest peak in South India is A. Anaimudi. An important nuclear station in Tamil Nadu is B. Kalpakam. Thickness of mantle layer is about A. 2900 km. The percentage of Earth's surface covered by India is A. 2.4. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Islands? C. Myanmar. The Corbett National Park is located at C. Uttarakhand. Kimberley is famous for D. Diamond. The famous temperate grassland of South Africa are called A. Pampas. Who was the founder of Bhujan Samaj Party? C. Kanshiram. Which of the following countries is the largest producer of bauxite? C. Australia. Who among the following introduced the subsidiary alliance system in India? B. Lord Wellesley. Who betrayed Sirajuddaulah in the Battle of Plassey in 1757? C. Mir Zafar. Where and when was Ghadar Party founded? A. America 1913. How many members were there in Simon Commission? C. 7. Raja Kanwar Singh led the 1857 revolt in which part of India? D. Bihar. What was the popular title of Sheikh Nijamuddin Aulia? C. Chirag-e-Ilahi. Chark was the famous court physician of D. Kanishka. Who among the following was a leader of Wahhabi movement? C. Syed Ahmad Barelvi. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha can resign his office by addressing his resignation to C. the Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Who can initiate impeachment proceedings against the President of India? C. Either House of the President. Parliament. In the parliamentary form of government, he is the first among the equals. Who is he? B. Prime Minister. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to B. the Lok Sabha. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on C. 26 November 1949. Where is the headquarter of International Court of Justice? D. Hague, Netherlands. Section 4 GK. The President can nominate 2 members of Lok Sabha to give representation to D. the Anglo-Indians. Who was the founder of Khudai Khidmatgar Andolan? C. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Which national park is situated in Haryana? A. Sultanpur. Which place received lower rainfall? B. Leh. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? C. Kosi. Which river of Himachal Pradesh mentioned in Rig Veda? D. All of them. Chenab, Ravi, Byas, these all rivers are mentioned in Rig Veda. Origin place of Khampa scheduled tribes of Himachal Pradesh is A. Tibet. Victoria Cross Award winner in Second World War is C. Subedar Major Bhandari Ram of Bilaspur. Which one amongst the following century belongs to pertains is district Chamba? D. Above all. Gamgul, Syavehi century, Kungti century, Setu An, Mala century, all these centuries are in Chamba district. Hidimba Devi temple dedicated to the goddess Hidimba Devi is also known as C. Dungri temple. Freedom fighter Shri Yashpal from district Hamirpur wrote book A. Singh Balokan. Loktak Lake is in B. Manipur. Match correct. C. 1D, 2B, 3A, 4C. Juhu Beach in Maharashtra, Convent Beach in Kerala, Donapaula Beach in Goa, Marina Beach in Tamil Nadu. Which dance form is famous in Mizoram? D. Chera. In which year India proposed disaster management bill? A. 2005. Who is the writer of story Sultana's Dream? B. Rokia Sakhav Hussain. Which is considered to be the driest desert in the world? B. Atacama. Where are the headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India located? A. Mumbai. Who is called the father of Indian civil aviation? B. J.R.D. Tata. Name the language from which the word mosquito is taken. A. Spanish. Who was the Indian actress to receive Padma Shri Award? B. Nargis Dutt. Edible part of mango is known as A. Mesocarp. The Lady of Kelong is A. Glacier. Buddha preached in the language C. Pali. The people of Indus Valley worshipped A. Pashupati. What is scientific name of cows? A. Bos indicus. Where is Kunjum Pass located? D. Lahore and Spiti. Which place is known as Little Lhasa? B. Dharamshala. Suket Satyagrah in Himachal Pradesh occurred in D. 18 February 1948. What was the name of the first play put on the Gaiety Theatre, Shimla? B. Time will tell. Thank you.